guys, welcome to my channel. I am Olinda Miriam. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I will be showing you how I fake microblading. So this is just a brow routine and it's kind of showing how I groom my brows. And if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel. The items you're gonna need are a souffle bowl, brow tint. This one I have is by Blick. I think it's a German brand. I got it on eBay. Developer, so you're going to be needing some kind of developer to properly darken it. This toner, I have this. I don't know what it's called, but I know it's like an applicator. It's cotton rounds, or if you have cotton buds, then you're good. I'm going to clean my brows. Gonna shape them, so I'm just using the spoolie to get my brows together. So I'm gonna start with the eyebrow dye. It's about how much product I have there. Now we are going to add about 4 drops of developer into it. We all mixing together. Pray for me. So you're just going to go in, you know, your natural brow shape and apply the tint. So I'm going to be waiting about 10 to 15 minutes for everything to set. It lasts me about a week and a half to 2 weeks sometimes, depending on how well I take care of my brows and also depending on how oily my skin is or how much I wash my face. And when I wash my face, I make sure not to scrub my brows a lot. So it lasts me a good 2 weeks.
2,000 years later.
It's been there for about 10 years now and it's itchy, so I'm gonna remove it. Also with the tint, make sure you do a patch test. So just put your ear at the back of your ear and wait about 15-20 minutes. If it doesn't irritate you, then it means you can go ahead and use it, just so you don't burn your skin. Okay, so I'm just putting some toner on the cotton rounds, and what I'm going to do is just scrape some of the excess tint off. Scrapity, scrape. Ooh. My brows are kind of big. Make sure all the tint is gone. No. Some concealer, just to give it like the perfect shape, you know what I mean? It has to be on point. Now that the tint is all gone, I'm just gonna outline my brow. That is it. This is the finished look. This is what it looks like. So for about a week now, so I don't have to fill them in. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it very helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.